What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your traffic by over 257%. This video is actually for my staff, but I wanted to share it with everyone else. So my staff and everyone else, watch this. All right, guys, so the method that I'm showing you today is basically a backdoor method, meaning that sometimes the keyword that you're trying to rank for just doesn't get a lot of traffic. However, there are blogs that are written that maybe compare, one item to another item or one service to another service that have, that get thousands of views per month. So in short, what we're going to do is create a better blog article than your competition, and then we're going to put a link that says DUI lawyer on that blog article, linking to your DUI lawyer page. Now, I know you're not, most people watching this aren't DUI lawyers. Just substitute the keywords for what I'm saying. Okay, so if you don't understand what I'm saying, I'm going to go through this. Very, very easily, and you're going to understand. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview. So this is the keyword. The keyword is DUI lawyers. So what I want to do is I want to be found here in the Google 3-pack. However, all the content that I'm writing on my page, I've written everything that I could about DUI lawyer, and I'm still not showing. I'm in 10th, 11th, 12th place. Well, what could I possibly do to get more traffic to my website? So this is what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to scroll down, and I'd like you to find another website. So one of your competitions. So this is Justia. This is a directory. This is like a directory like Yelp, just for lawyers. Expertise, same thing, and Thumbtack is for all industries. So what's the first business website? It looks like DUI St. Petersburg lawyer. All right. So this is going to look similar if you're a plastic surgeon or a chiropractor in Seattle, or if you're an electrician in Chicago. The search results are going to look similar. I just want you to just copy the formula that I'm giving you. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're just going to click the first most popular link, and I want to grab this website. So it's DUI St. Petersburg lawyer. And I'm just going to copy the domain name. Then I want you to come over to Ahrefs, right? And you could start a free trial. If you're just trying to do SEO on your own and you're not an SEO agency, the free trial is more than all you need. For 7 days, that's all you're going to need. It's just $7. Okay, that's all you're going to need. So once you pay the $7 and you start the trial, I said free trial. It's not a free trial. It's $7 for 7 days. You're going to come to a page like this. Okay. You're going to take volume between 1,000 and 2,000. You're just going to change that. See? So you go to volume, right? And you just put 1,000 to 2,000 and hit apply. Okay? So I want to see what pages are getting between 1,000 and 2,000 for DUI lawyer. That's the keyword that I'm trying to rank for. What I'm basically doing is I'm trying to create another page that gets a lot of traffic, and I'm going to put a DUI lawyer link on that page. So I'll say it another way. I'm going to create a blog page that gets a lot of traffic, but and I'm going to add a DUI lawyer link on that blog page to go to my DUI lawyer page, the page that I'm trying to rank, the page that I'm trying to get found in the 3-pack for. All right. So I scroll down and look at this. What is the difference between DUI and DWI? It gets 1,000 views per month. It gets 1,000 views per month. So what we want to do is we want to create a better article than this article. So I'm just going to copy it. Now I'm going to copy it, and I am going to paste it right in here. And I just want to take a little look-see. I want to see what this page looks like. All right, it has somebody holding a beer bottle and driving. And it has a couple of laws. You know what? It looks like it has about 500 words. So what I want to do is I want to create a page that has between 1,000 and 1,500 words. Okay? That's what I want to do. I want to do a page that has more content than this. Now, what I'm going to do is right here where it says best DWI attorneys in Clearwater, that is exactly where I want to put best DUI lawyers in, whatever city you're trying to rank. Okay, see how they did it? You're going to do the same exact thing, only you're going to add a 1,500 word article. Now, you may be saying to yourself, well, how am I going to write that article? Very, very good question. Very good question. You're going to take the subject of this article, which is what is the difference between DUI and DWI. You're going to come over to this website. It's called Phrase, FRASE.io. And what you're going to do is you're just going to paste in, let me take these dashes out. You're going to paste in this question. And what Phrase is going to do is Phrase is going to scour the web, and it's going to come up with all the questions that people have for DUI law and DWI law. Now, if you're not a lawyer, you're going to replace it with the key, the person who's ranking, your competition who's ranking higher than you, who's getting a lot of traffic, right? Okay, so you click Create Document. Now, Phrase gives you 10 searches, I think, for the trial. For the trial period, they give you 10 searches at no charge. If you have to pay for this tool, pay for it for the first month. It's invaluable. It's extremely important that you get this tool. But I do believe you get 10 searches per month at no charge. Okay, so here's what I liked the best, is that the average word count is 734. So by creating an article for 1,000 words, that'll have me covered. It has 4 headers. Headers are like this, right here, right here. Those are headers. So the average has 4. Okay? It only has 1 link going to it, and they usually have just 2 images. So I would add 3 images. So here's 1, and I would add 3 more images, 2 more images. I'd put another image here and another image here. Okay? So if you're going to use this phrase, which is like, what should I do if arrested for DUI, DWI? Just come over to Google and take a look at the pictures that Google sees relevant for this keyword. Come over to images, okay? And these are the type of images These are the type of images that I would use on my website. Google already sees them relevant for that keyword. So when you're writing a section that says, what should you do if you're arrested for DUI, DWI, these are the images that you should use. Okay, so now phrase is finished, and what phrase does is it gives you all the questions that you need to answer. DUI versus DWI, what's the difference, the meaning, drunk and drug driving laws, how to find cheap coverage, car insurance. See all this? This is in Texas, so I wouldn't take anything like that. I'm here in Florida. But look at all these questions, right? What is the difference? Defining DUI and DWI, OWI and OUI versus OWI, out-of-state difference, like all these questions. See that? They're all different questions that you should ask. Okay, so now you find the best, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 questions. What you'll do is you'll come over to this website called iWriter, right? So you'll take some of these questions, right? You'll take some of these questions and you'll just put it in a document. So here are some questions, right? See that? Just like that. I haven't used this in a while. Okay, but there we go. See, here are all the questions. Boom, 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 boom. See, I say boom, boom. All right, so I take all these questions, and I just come over to iWriter and I have them write an article. Now, make sure you buy the $20 article. Okay, don't buy the $5 article. Very, very important. Once you get the article back, there's a website called Grammarly. Hope I spell it right. Grammar, I think it's .ly. I'll put it in the description below. But it's called Grammarly. And what it does is it checks the grammar of your website. I'll put it in the description below. All right. So once you get the article back from iWriter, you want to put it in Grammarly, and it'll check the grammar on your website. Then there's a program called Page Optimizer Pro. Page Optimizer Pro. And if you don't have any programs, this is the best one and the easiest one to use. What this does is it lets you know how many times to use the keywords on that page and what keywords on that page are missing. Okay? They give you a free trial, a 7-day free trial. And I would take that free trial and just write a couple of articles, and Page Optimizer Pro will optimize the page, and then you can put it on your blog. So in short, what you want to do is you want to find your competition that is writing great blog articles. You want to write articles better than your competition, and you want to link from your blog to your keyword page that's not ranking in Google Maps, right? So you're not ranking in Google Maps for DUI law. So if I was Brett Metcalf over here, I would create that article that I just showed you and create the article in the blog and then link it to my DUI page. Because my DUI page is going to get 1,000 searches per month, and then people are going to click the link on that page that says DUI lawyer, best DUI lawyer, click that link and come over to my DUI law page. It'll come over to my DUI law page, right? So when Google sees that you're getting more traffic to that page, you're going to increase your rankings in the Google 3-pack. This is something, honestly, that I've done, that I did years ago. And while I was out today, I was doing something, I actually thought of it. I was like, man, I haven't done that in a really long time. So this is something that I want my staff to do. And I was like, you know what, why don't I just create a video, because I think it can help a lot of people who watch my videos. It's something really simple to do. All the tools that I'm showing you have a free or almost free trial period. And if you're just trying to get more traffic to your website, that's all you're going to need. Take the trial period, find your competition that is getting a lot of traffic to their blog pages, create links from the blog pages to your keyword pages or your GMB pages that can't be found in the Google 3-pack. People will read the article, click the link, go to that page, hopefully take an action, and you're going to start to increase in the rankings in the Google 3-pack. So that is a tip that we used to do, and to be quite honest with you, I forgot. I just forgot. I forgot that I used to do that. I was thinking about that today. So it's something that I want my staff to do. So I'm creating a video for them, and I was like, you know what, let me put that out to the public. I believe that could help a lot of people, and that's what I like to do. I like to help people, right? I like to help people. That's what I like to do. That's my gift. My gift is helping people. So that's something that I like to do, and hopefully it helped you. All right, guys, be good to your family. Kiss your wife, kiss your kids, clean up around the house, do 51%. It's Friday. Your wife doesn't feel like cooking today, right? Order some food or take her out. Be good to your family. And I know this is hard. I know business is hard, and I know it's been quite challenging for the past 2 years, but you know what? You're still in it. You're still in it, and you're trying to grow, and you're trying to learn. So I congratulate you. You're doing great. You are doing great, and you're going to succeed. I'm telling you that. You're going to succeed. All right? So congratulations on pursuing your dream. If there's something that I could do, feel free to text me at any time. I get back to anybody who texts me. If you want to email me, my email address is brettmoletta@gmail.com. Feel free. You could always shoot me over an email. The next 8 months here in Florida are beautiful. It's from October to May. It is absolutely every single day. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day. So I want to do my 3 videos a week and get out there and enjoy the weather, because it is beautiful. All right, guys, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. If there's anything that I could do, please leave a question and a comment below, and I will be happy to get back to you. If you want to text me, email me, whatever you want. Guys, have a great day, and we'll catch you on Monday. Bye.